Here's a scenario that I see with Teams meetings all the time. When people go to join a meeting, they click the join button and then very quickly bypass the settings without checking the audio or the video settings. They'll just go ahead and click join now. We all do it. But then once you're in the meeting, you realize that you either can't hear everyone else or they can't hear you. Fortunately, we have a quick way to adjust our microphone and camera settings without leaving the meeting and going back to the Join Now screen. Go to the microphone drop down in the upper right hand corner of the screen, and here you can see which speaker and microphone is selected. So in this scenario, Teams still thinks that I have my headphones as my primary speaker, and that's not the case. So all I need to do is select the speakers that I want to use. Now, if we go further down the menu and look at the microphone settings, for some reason, Teams thinks that my microphone is in my monitor and it's not. So instead, I'm going to select my web camera. And now that I've done that, you can see with the audio visualization bar that Teams is now registering sound from my microphone. To adjust the camera, you can go one icon to the left and click the drop down, and then you can select any camera that you have available. You also have the option to change the background blur or the background graphic. And that's how you can quickly change your microphone, speaker, and camera settings without leaving your Teams meeting.